Hello viewers, this is Utisam Mathematics. I am on a series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics, and I'm on the third block, which is substitution and change of subject. In this video, I want to look at substitution. Before I continue, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. In block 2, we discuss algebraic expression, and sometimes an expression will be given to you and then you may be asked to do some substitution. In algebraic expression, letters are used to represent unknown quantities or variables, and replacing them with numbers or values is what is called substitution. The answer that you get always give a real number or a numerical value. So what do we expect? A relation or a formula will be given, and you'll be asked to find its numerical value when the values of the unknown variables are given. So at this point, I want us to look at some examples. 1. Given that x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3 on 4. Find the value of a, y squared minus 3x, b, x squared times, in bracket, y minus 1. So, as I have said earlier, you have y squared minus 3x. So what you have to do is, wherever you see y, place it by 3 on 4. So a, we have y squared. So instead of y squared, we put there 3 over 4 all squared minus 3, in place of x, we put minus 2 there. Now we are squaring a fraction. It means that you square the numerator and then you square the denominator. When you square 3, you are going to get 9 over 4 squared is minus 3 times minus 2. Giving us plus 6. So because this is a whole number and this is a proper fraction, we can add it to the whole number, or you find the LCM. So the answer is going to be 6 whole number 9. That is going to be your answer. Yes, someone may decide to find the LCM and you can still get the answer. So let's look at the B part. We have x squared times y minus 1. So what it means is that x is minus 2, so minus 2 all squared times, bracket open, y is 3 on 4, so 3 over 4 minus 1. So minus 2 all squared give us positive 4. Remember, when you square a negative number, you get a positive number. Times, if you find the LCM and then simplify this one, you are going to get minus 1 on 4. I can do it here for you. 3 over 4 minus 1. So the LCM is 4. 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 3, we have 3. Minus 1 into 4, 4. 4 times 1. The same as 4, so we are getting minus 1. So that's why we had minus 1 over 4. So 4 here can cancel, making minus 1. That, and let's look at the second. If a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 5, find the value of a squared minus b squared times a minus. So wherever we see a, we replace it by minus 3. So minus 3 all squared minus b is 5, so 5 all squared times a is minus 3, 2 times minus 3, and then minus b cube. So we have 5 raised to the power. And minus 3 squared is giving us positive 9. Minus, let's simplify this first. So 5 squared is 25 times minus 3. 5 cube is minus 125. Now minus 25 times minus 3. So we get 9 plus 75 minus 125. When we simplify, 9 plus 75 plus minus 125, then we are going to get minus 41. Minus 41. Let's look at the next one. And before I solve this, pause the video and go through it. So let's look at, we have 5. If a is equal to 2, q is equal to minus 1, r is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 2, we have to evaluate 5pqs plus 3qr minus 2pr. So, which means that whenever you see p, you will place it by 2. So this times p is 2 times q is minus 1 times s is minus 2, so plus 3 q minus 1 times r is minus 3 minus 2 times p, then r is minus 2. Let's simplify it. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times minus 1 minus 10. Minus 10 times minus 20, minus 2. So we are getting positive. And this one minus 3 times minus 1, giving us positive 3 times 3. So positive 9. Let's come to this side. Minus 3 times 6. Minus 3 times 2, minus 6. Minus 6 times minus 2, which is plus 12. So this one is plus. And when we simplify, 20 plus 9 plus 12, we are getting positive 41. So check it with your answer. If you are able to do it, then keep it up. If you were not successful, just try again. That is how math is.